How to create discount code in Shopify. So first go to Shopify. Now once you're here, click on discounts here at the left side. Okay, now click on create discount. And then here just choose your discount type. So I'm just going to choose amount of products. And then here you can just type in your discount code. So I'm just going to generate a random code here. Then here just choose your discount value, whether you want to use percentage or a fixed amount. So I'm just going to use percentage here, and then I'm going to type in 20% here. Right now here, choose where it applies to, whether you want to apply it to specific collections or specific products. So I'm just going to select specific products here, and then just either search your products here, or you can just click on browse here, and then select your product that you want to add a a discount to. All right. So next is, as for the eligibility, select among the three here, whether you want this discount to be available to all customers, to specific customer segments, or just specific customers. All right. So I'm just going to choose the all customers here. And then if you want to select any minimum purchase requirements here, you can do that as well. So I'm just going to select no here. Then here you can begin adding your active dates. So when this discount can become active until when. All right. So if you want to add a send date as well, end date, you can just click on end date here and then select your end date. Select your start date here, your time, and then select your end date here and the time here as well. All right. So once you're done setting up the dates, you can just click on save here. Okay. Now once your discount is active, wait, I didn't change the date, so that's why it says here expired. So let's just change the date to until 24, and then click on save. Okay, now it's active. So once it's active, you can just click on get shareable link here, and then copy this, and then begin sharing your shareable link to any of your customers so they can use your discount code. Right? You can begin sharing this with email, TikTok, any of the social media platforms that you use. All right. So that's about it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.